Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with deck of planning update. So this project is created by Emily and Max, and in here there's a game board where we draw 5 cards from deck of cards and then pick corresponding products. So that game board shuffles every month, and I will link it down below, and also Emily as she created this. For this update I have 1, 2 and 3. Sorry, no, just 2 rollouts. And thank you so much for your wishes on my previous videos, comments. I am feeling so much better now. Let's start with our very first product, which has been here since the start of this project. And that's my Glam lipstick. This got rolled in for sugar prompt. And my goal is to finish it. Of course, that's not gonna happen anytime soon. And since last update, I have used it 3 times. Yeah, not a lot of difference, and I don't think it's gonna be done anytime soon. So I have 42 previous uses on this one, and since last update I used it 3 times, which brings the total to 45. Oh, sorry plant. So my pothos is growing and I'm loving it. Anyway, this is staying here for, I guess, the entirety of the year. And the next product is something that we are rolling out. So I rolled in this ColourPop eyeliner in the shade called Prance, and my goal was to use it 5 times, which I did. And there is this look that you guys loved so much. In that look, I'm wearing Prance on my eyes, and then I have set it with my light blue eyeshadow that's in my pan Those Eyeshadows project. Today I kind of tried to imitate the same look, I mean liner wise, but instead of using Prance, I used a purple as a base and I set it with the same eyeshadow. It's not popping as much as it was with Prance, but I still love it because it has a different undertone now. But this is rolling out from this project. And then next product that is rolling out is our Milani blush. This was rolled in for 10 uses and I was able to hit 10 uses on this one. I have never actually focused on this blush in my project pans or anything. Like, only time I worked on this blush is in deck of panning. I always roll it in for different prompts, and I also tend to reach for this one occasionally, and I think we have worn down the dome. So I'm really happy about how it's looking like, and this is the only powder blush that I have. I'm saying only because I'm about to finish the one that is in my project pan, which is a Franken blush that I made by mixing a bunch of eyeshadows. So yeah, this is the only powder blush I have. That makes me really excited because I really prefer to have what I can use. Otherwise, I get overwhelmed. Moving on to the next 2 products that are staying in. So the first one is this NYC lipstick. I rolled it in to see if it's still good or not, and I used it 3 times and it is still pretty good. It smells fine. It smells just like it did when I got it, and my goal is to use it 5 times. I've used it 3 times and I only have 2 more uses to go, and then this will be rolling out. And I won't be decluttering it because it's still good. And then last product we are working on is this powder. This is an old loose powder that I have decanned in this container, and my goal is to use it 20 times. So far I have used it 11 times and I only have 9 more uses to go. It's a really nice under eye setting powder, and once I hit my 9 uses, my plan is to make a blush with this one, because when I use it on my face it oxidizes. So that's the reason I want to mix it with like some other eyeshadows to make blush, but I'm waiting to finish my Franken blush first. But yeah, I'm gonna be hitting my 9 uses on this one, and then I'll try to make a blush from this powder. So those are the 5 products that I was working on, and we are rolling over this one, of course, and this one, as well as our lipstick, to next month, and we'll be drawing 2 new cards to replace our rolled out products. So I'm back with my jumbo cards. Oops, I've dropped a few. Let me give it a shuffle real quick. Okay, I think that's enough. Let's pull the first one. Okay, King of Spade and King of Hearts. Let me quickly see what these two cards correspond to, and then I'll pull the corresponding products. It's so funny because one of them corresponds to hit a pan and the other one says has a pan. So both of them would be powder products for me. So yeah, I need to literally look at what I can incorporate into this project. So I'll be back. All right, I am back and I'm keeping it very simple. So if you have checked out my project pan update for this month, I have rolled in Tammy X Revolution palette, and I've rolled in one eyeshadow from here to finish, which is called Spice Island. And that one is this orange shade, but this is what this palette is looking overall. So keeping it simple because I'm already using this palette, so I will be pulling two eyeshadows from this eyeshadow palette to work on. So the only eyeshadow that doesn't have a pan in here is this one. It's called Chanel. I think that's how it's pronounced. But yeah, this is the one that is without pan, another blue. But I'm working on some blues either way, so might as well just incorporate another one. Wouldn't hurt, would it? Anyway, the next eyeshadow that I want to use is this deep purple or royal purple sort of shimmer shade. So my goal for this eyeshadow would be to hit bottom pan, and I think that's doable. Hitting pan on this eyeshadow, it's gonna surely take some time, but I'll try my best to hit pan on this one as soon as possible, because then all of these eyeshadows in here would have pan in them. Isn't that exciting? I think it's really exciting to me. And this is also a very beautiful shade that I feel like I haven't reached for a lot. So let's swatch both of them. So this is the purple shade that's called Destiny, and this one is called Chanel. Now I know why I haven't reached for this purple shade, because it is very underwhelming. I mean, there are no shimmer particles showing up. There's a little sheen. It's more of a satin kind of shade. So it's not a shimmer, which is kind of odd, but that means I can wear it as an overall eye shade, and then I can top it off with other shimmers or maybe like toppers. So yeah, these are the two eyeshadows that we'll be working on. So this one we want to hit pan on that, and this one we want to hit the bottom pan because this one already has a pan. So in short, we have rolled out Bronze and Milani blush in the shade Luminoso. We want to hit 9 more uses on this powder and 2 uses on this lipstick, and we'll see how many times I'll reach for this lipstick, and then these two eyeshadows. So that's all I have for today's update. Thank you so much for sticking with me until the end. I hope you have a wonderful day or night, depending on when you're watching my video, wherever in the world you are. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye.